Now the topic is syllogism. The topic is syllogism. Now here first we are going to solve the problems in syllogism. Now you find the diagrams. What are the diagrams in this syllogisms are there? First see the diagram. What are the diagrams are there and how many methods are there in this syllogism? First I am going to the diagrams. Now first diagram is, this is called as a sum diagram. Now this intersection called as a, this is the sum. Now I am going to, this one is the individual diagram. This is called as a, there is no relations and a diagram and B diagram. So there is no relation. This is the A and this is a B diagram. The relation is sum diagram. This is called as a sum diagram. There is no relation here A and B. This relation is called as a no diagrams. Now coming to this one. Now one more is there here. Now all diagrams also here, all nothing but this is the A diagram, all and this is the B diagram. This is called as a all diagrams. Now coming to this one, you know the what is the sum diagram is there. Now what is the no diagram and also all diagram. All diagrams also can be written as like this. A is there here. Now again starting A here. Now can I take like this here B. So like this, all A's are B's like. Now coming to this one, this diagram. Now see the type 1 and type 2 and type 3. Now what are the types are there? Now I am doing to the type 1. Now type 1 here I am taking here. Now sum, now best example I am taking the example statement, sum A's are B's. Sum A's are B's. So here sum A's are B's nothing but, now here see the what is the diagram is there here, diagram. Okay, now here diagram sum A's are B's. Here this is the sum diagram, sum A's are B's. Okay, now this is the diagram. Now what are the conclusion will be here, true, what are the conclusion will be false according to our diagram. No, coming to the conclusions, what are the conclusions are there here? Now conclusion 1 here, some B's are A's. Here some B's are A's, some B's are not A's. Now again some A's are B's. Now here I am taking here, now some A's are not B's here, are not B's. Now coming to the statement, what is the statement is given? Some A's are B. Some A's are B here. Now some A's are B is equal to, the diagram is like this, some A's are B's. Coming to this one, now conclusion, what are the conclusion? Some B's are A's, some B's are not A's. Now some A's are B's, now some A's are not B's. Now here see the diagram is, what is the diagram is there here? Some A's also B's, nothing but some B's also A's. Now so that's why this is the according to the diagram our conclusion will be here true. Now coming to this one, some B's are not A. According to the statement what is given, some A's are B is given. Now you take only some A's are B, but not, you don't consider the negative statement here. So this is the false statement. Coming to this one again, third statement, some A's are B's here. Some A's are B's. See this one, already statement, whatever the statement is there, that conclusion also is there. So that's why some A's are B's. Some A's are B. Okay, coming to this one again, some A's are not B's, some B's are not A's. So that's why this is the negative statement is given here. That is one also not true. Okay, coming to what are the true statements are there here? What are the conclusion will be true according to our diagram? Only 1 and here, only 1 and what is the conclusion? Only 1 and 3. 1 and 3 follows. 1 and 3 follows. So this is the now. Coming to the first statement. Now first statement is some A's are B's. Now for statement is given, conclusion also is given. Now you want draw only diagram here. So coming to the diagram, some A's are B's. Now this is the some A's are B's. This is intersection portion. Now this is the all R is called as A. Now coming to this one, some A's are B's. Now understand here, some A's are B's nothing but some B's also A's. Okay. Now again the negative statement, when the negative statement here, that is all are false here. Some A's are not B, some A's are not B, that is false statement. Only this is given, some A's are B's. The statement says here some A's are B's. Now you consider some B's also A's, but in the negative statement some A's are not B's, that is a false statement. And also some A's are not B's, some B's also not A's. So that's why that both are wrong. Only some A's are B's nothing but some B's also A's. Coming to this one, whatever the statement is given, conclusion also same, then 100% will be true that statement. So that's why that is the conclusion. What are the conclusion will be true here? 1 and 3 follows. Now coming to the, now they given only 2 values A and B. Now how to, now seeing next problem is, I am going to the type 1 example 2 here. See here. Now shall I take one more example here? Now I am taking the three values here, and now I am taking here. Now here first one is example 2 here. Some statement, some A's are B's here, some A's are B's. Now again some B's are C's. This is the my next statement, some B's are A's, some B's are C's. Now coming to this one, what are the statements are true here, what are the statements are false here? Coming this one now, what are the diagram is there here? The diagram, see the diagram. Now some A's are B's. So this is the some A's are B's. This is the some B's are C. Okay, this is some B's are C's. Now coming to the conclusions. Now what are the conclusion will be true and what are the conclusion here false. Now coming to the conclusion, my conclusion is some B's are A's and C's. A's and C's. Some B's are A's and C's. Now second conclusion here. Now some A's are not C's. This is also some A's are not C's. Now coming to this one, third statement. Now some C's are not A's. Okay. Now coming to this one, now some fourth one, some A's are C's is given. Now this is the conclusion. What are the possibilities are there? Now what are the possibilities true? What are the possibilities now false here? Now coming to the statement, now some A's are B's, some B's are C's. This is the my diagram, this is the sum diagram. Now conclusion, check it here, conclusion. Now some B's, this is the B diagram is there. Some B's are here A's. So here intersection portion is there. Some B's are A's, some B's also C's. Now according to the first conclusion, this is true statement. Okay, just you check it here, true or false. Okay, now this is the some B's are A's and C's. Coming to this one, some A's are not C's. Try to understand here. the diagram is individual diagram. Now coming to this part is I am taking A and C like this. This is A and C, nothing but some A's are like this, some A's are not, this is C. So here some A's are not C's, 100% will be true here. Now this is the diagram. Okay, there is no connection A and C here, so that's why some A's are not C's. Now coming to this one, some C's also not A, some C's also not A here. Now that one also true statement. Now coming to this one, some A's are C's. A individual diagram, C is individual diagram. Some A's are C's, there is no some A's are C's according to our A and C diagram. So this is false. Now what are the, in this statement, in the first example 2, now what are the true statements are there in the conclusion? What are the true conclusions are there? Now 1, 2, 3. Now the 1, 2 and 3 follows. 3 follows. So according to our diagram, only these are the possibilities. Now which conclusion will be true? Now check it. Once again I will repeat this one. Now check it. Some A's are B's, some B's are C's. Now the questionnaire is given, statement is given, conclusion also is given. Now just you draw the diagram. Whatever the statement is given, you draw the diagram. Now this statement, this is the diagram. Now you check it the conclusion, which conclusion will be true here. Okay, coming to the my conclusion number 1, some B's are A's and also some B's are C's. Coming to the diagram is 100% will be true. Now again, now coming to the second one, some A's are not C's. Exactly here, see the diagram, this one, some A's are not C's here. So now that why, now shall I, now some A's are not C's. Coming to this one, some C's are not A's. Also some A's are not C's, some C's also not A. Now this one also. Only 1, 2, 3. Now coming to this one, fourth one, some A's are C's. A individual diagram and C is a individual diagram. They never follow here some. So that's why only what are the conclusion will be true here. Only 1, 2 and 3 will be follows according to our statement. Okay. Now see the examples. Now I have given 2 examples. Now coming to the how to solve this type of problem. Now here see the now the question number 1. Now coming to the question number 1, I am taking here statement some pens are pencils, some pencils are erasers, some pencils are erasers. Now again one more statement I am taking, some erasers are whitener, some erasers are whitener. This is my statement. Now conclusion here, they given again conclusion here. Now take the conclusions. See here conclusion. Now coming to the conclusion, some pens are pencils, some pencils are eraser. Now coming to what are the conclusion will be true here. Now what are the, now check it your conclusion number 1. Now some erasers are pencil, some erasers are pencil, some pencils are pens and erasers. Coming to the third one, some whiteners are pens, some whiteners are pens. Coming to the fourth one, some some pens are erasers. Okay, these are the conclusion. Now this is the my question number 1. The statement is given like this. Now conclusion is given like this. Now what to do? Now some pens are pencil is given, some pencils are eraser is given, some erasers are whitener is given. First you read the statement, draw a diagram. What are the diagrams are there in the statement? Now coming to the diagram, now here see the diagram. Now here I am taking here diagram. Now here some pens are pencils. Now I am taking here diagram. Now diagram is like this. What is the diagram? Some pens are pencils. Now here pen is there. Here pencil. I am taking here pencil. Now again some pencils are eraser. Now only pencil part is there and eraser. Okay. Now coming to this one, again some erasers are whitener. This is. Now coming to this one, now what are the conclusion will be true here? Now check the diagram. See here, some eraser are pencils. See where is the eraser, where is. So these two diagrams are the intersection portion is there. Now some erasers are pencils is there. Exactly, that is the both diagrams are intersection portion is there and eraser and pencil. So coming to this one, some pencils are erasers, some erasers also pencil. Now next one, what is there? Some pencils are pens. Now pencil is there. Some pencils are pen and eraser. This is given. Come on, the pencils are there. This is the some pencils are pen and eraser. This one also, both are connections are there in the pen and pencils connection part is there. That will be true state. Coming to the third conclusion, some whiteners are pen. Where is the whitener? Where is the pen diagram? This is the pen, this is the whitener. Coming to the diagram, this is the pen is the individual part and whitener is also individual part. So this is in the individual diagrams are there, they never follow your sum. Okay, when the here coming to this one, some pens are eraser. Some pens are eraser is given, some pens are eraser. See the where is the pen and where is the eraser? This is the pen is there, this is the eraser. Both are individual diagram. Again, these are the individual diagram. So this is some pens and pens. This is true or false? Both are individual diagrams. So that is the never follow. So here whitener is there, pen is there. This is the whitener, this is the pen. Again coming to this one, this is also individual diagram. So these are the individual diagrams. So it will be never follow your sum here. Once again I will repeat the question and again I will explain the conclusion. What are the conclusion will be true here our diagrammatically. Now check it again. My question is, what my question is, some pens are pencil, some pencils are eraser, some erasers are whitener. Okay, coming to this one, now these are the conclusions are there. Both are about the conclusion. Now you draw the diagram. What are the diagram is there? Now statement, read the some pens are pencils. The pen is there, pencil is there. Now some pencils are eraser is there. Now erasers are whiteners is there. That is the my diagram. Now here conclusions is there here. So here conclusion is there. Some erasers are pencil. Some erasers are pencil is equal to what here? See the diagram. Here eraser is there. Here pencil is there. Both diagrams are here. Connection part is there. Both diagrams are in same. So that's why some erasers are pencil will be true. Coming to the second conclusion, some pencils are pen and eraser. See the diagram, where is the pencil? This is the pencil diagram, this is the pen diagram, this is the eraser diagram. So here some pencils are pens and some pencils are eraser will be true according to our diagram. Coming to the third, what is given here? Some whiteners are pen. Now where is the whitener? Where is the pen? See, the pen is there, that lost in the whitener is there. There is no connection now pen and whitener. So there are the individual diagrams in that state. In the syllogism, individual diagram here never follow, here some, but in possibility case follow, but it is not I am asking any possibility case. Okay, I will discuss the later in the possibility case. Now again here, now last one, some pens are eraser. The pen is there, eraser, again the individual diagram. So these two diagrams are, the 3 and 4 is not follow, remaining 1 and 2 will be follow. Okay, this is my explanation in the question number 1. Again I am taking the question number 2. Now see the question number 2, what is there here? Now question number 2 I am taking here. Now statement, some apples are bananas, some bananas are oranges. Now some oranges are grapes. Grapes. Now coming to the what are the conclusion will be true here. Now the conclusions. Some grapes are here. Some grapes are apple. Now some oranges are bananas. Coming to the third one, now some bananas are apple and oranges. Now fourth one, all bananas are grapes. This is my conclusions. Now this is a statement, this is the conclusion. Some apples are bananas, some bananas are oranges, some oranges are grapes. Now conclusion. Now first draw the diagram, read the statement and draw the diagram. Coming to the diagram, now what is the diagram here? Now see the diagram. Some apples are bananas. So here apple diagram is there. Some apples are banana. This is the banana. So here bananas are oranges. Here only bananas are oranges. Now again oranges are there. Some oranges are grapes here. This is the grapes diagram. Now this is my diagram. Coming to the diagram, I know the diagram. I draw the diagram. Now test the conclusion here. Okay. Now see. Now some grapes are apple. Now see the, where is the grape diagram? Where is the apple diagram? Is there here. Where is the grape? Grape is here, last one. Apple is, this is the first diagram. Any connection is there? Apple and grapes? There is no. So there is no connection. Apple and grapes. So apple and grapes, there is no connection. This is the wrong statement. Now coming to this one, some oranges are banana. See the diagram, where is the oranges and bananas? See, this is the oranges, this is the banana. So both are intersection is there here. Now that is 100% will be true. Coming to this one, some bananas are apple and oranges. See, where is the banana, where is the apple and oranges. This is the banana, banana is intersection portion, apple is there. Some bananas are apple. Okay. Now coming to this one, some bananas are oranges. Now see the third conclusion, some bananas are apple and also oranges. Now coming to the fourth one, all bananas are grapes. See, only that the statement is given, within all the statements are only some statement is given. The some statement is given here, the conclusion is all. So it is all, they never follow. This all is given, so this the only statement is some is given, the conclusion is all. He talking about the all, so it is never follow. Okay, whatever the statements, on the statement only some is there, but the conclusion is all. So only some follow here, but not all follow. So that's why this are directly eliminated. So don't read and again don't solve the questions, again just eliminate that one. So what are the conclusions are true here according to our problem? What are the conclusion will be true? Nothing but here only second and 3 follows. Second and 3 follows. Okay, this is all the type number 1 problems. Now when the sum is given, you take always like these problems. Okay, now one remember here I am talking about the sum diagrams. Now when the individual diagram you can get that never follow here sum and all. Okay, that remember that note. Note, what is the note here? In the type 1 problem, in the type 1. So here what my note number 1 here, when the individual diagram never follows. Now sum and all, now you take this is the sum and all. So this is important to all, never follow sum and all. So but it will follow in where case, in the possibility case. So that is the last method is there. Now I will show that one. Now try to understand the type 1, there is never follow here. Now what? Individual diagram. So in individual diagram never follow sum and all. Okay, now I am going to the type number 2. Okay, now see then type number 2 here. Now here type number 2. Now I am taking my best example. Again I have example 1. So your statement here, sum is already completed now. This is all. I am taking the type number 2, all A's are B's. This is the statement. Now in this one, what are the conclusion are there? First you see the conclusion. Conclusion number 1, here all B's are A's. Now coming to the conclusion number 2, now some B's are A's. Some B's are A's. Now again what? Now some A's are B's and some. Okay, now coming to the next one. Now some, I am taking here some A's are not B's. Coming to the fourth one, some A's are B's. Some A's are B's. Now what are the statement will be true here? Now check it here. This is the conclusions, this is the statement. Now the questionnaire is given statement and conclusion. Okay, now the statement is given, conclusion given. You are doing you draw the diagram. See the statement and draw the diagram. Now what are the diagram is there here? Coming to the diagram part, what is there here? Diagram, sum is given here. So diagram is here, sum, all A's are B's. We talking about the type number 2, all. So in the all diagrams is there, all A's are B's. This is all A's are B's. Or you take like this also, all A's are B's. This is starting point A, all A's are B's. Okay, you shake like this or like this. Now coming to this one, what is there here? Now your all A's are B's. Here all A's are B's, I am taking the diagram. But what my conclusion is, all B's are A's. This is all B's are A's, only some follow here, but not all follow here. See, B is there here, but here all A's are B's. Here all A's are B's, but not all B's are A's. Here the diagram goes to like this. Here all follow, all A's are B's, all follow, and again some A's are B's, some follow, some A's are B's, some follow. Now coming to this one, coming to downward, B to A, here only some follow. So some B's are A's, but not all B's are. Now but not all B's are A's here. Okay, now coming to this one, all A's are B's. Now are some A's also B's. This is the true. Now coming to this one, now all A's are B's. Now some B's also A's, but not all B's are A's. Now see here, what are my conclusions? Now check it here. In some all A's are B's. All A's are B's. Now my diagram is like this. Now coming to this one, conclusions. Now all B's are A's. Coming to the all, this is going to the like this, all A's are B's. Now this is true here. Coming to this one again, some B's are A's. Now seeing the some B's, this is some B's are A's. Some B's are A's. Okay. Now coming to the all, some is take the conclusion number 3 here. What is the 3 here? Some A's are not B's. Some A's are not B's. Now coming to this one, all A's are B's, some A's are B's. But if this is a negative statement is given here, doesn't follow here. Okay. Now coming to the some A's are B's. Some A's also B's here. Now here coming to this diagram, all A's are B's, some A's are B's. Now some B's also A's, but not all B's are A's. So that's why this one also true. Now coming to the what are the conclusions are true? 1, 2 and 4 follows. So these are the conclusions. One, now I am taking the example 1. Now I am taking the example 2. Now again see the diagram is now see the example 2, type number 2, example 2. Here my statement is here, statement is all A's are B's, all A's are B's. Okay, all A's are B's. Now coming to the, now all B's also, all B's are C's. This is my statement. Now what are the conclusions is there? Conclusions. Coming to the conclusion number 1 here, all A's are C's, all A's are C's. Now conclusion number 2, some C's are A's. Conclusion number 3, now some B's are A's and C's. Some. Okay. Now conclusion number 4, now some A's are C's. These are the Now coming to the example 2, all A's are B's, some B's are C's. Okay, now coming to the diagram. Now see the diagram. What now? Diagram. Here all A's are B's. Now take this is the all A's are B's. Now coming to like this, I am taking the all A's are B's. Now here all B's are C's. All B's are C's. This is one diagram. Or otherwise I am taking one more diagram. Shall I take like this? All A's are B's. All B's are C's. This is the statement. Now statement is given, all A's are B's, all B's are C's. Now here what are the conclusions will be true according to our diagram. Now coming to this one. Now here see here, all A's are C's. Coming now I am taking like this, all A's are C's. Now I am going to the all diagram. This is true now. All A's are C's. Now so, and also some A's also C's here. Some also follow here. I am going to like this. Some also true. So that's why all A's are C's. This is true. Coming to the one. Now some C's are A's. See the diagram is coming to the downward side. Now coming to this side. So this is only what follow? Only some follow. Here only some follow. But not here all follow. See, but not all follow means all C's not A's. That means all C's not A's. Understand? Some C's are A's follow. Some C's are B's follow. Some C's are A's follow. Some B's are A's follow. Now coming to this one. Some C's are A's. See the sum also true here. Coming to this one, some B's are A's and some B's are A's is there, C's is there. So some also will be true. See, this is the intersection. B is the middle element here. A is there in some half portion here. B also half portion. All B's are, some B's are A's and C's. This is true. Coming to that one, some A's are C's. Now I am going to like this, all follow and some follow. All A's are C's, some A's also C's, all B's are C's, some B's also C's. Okay. Now this is the diagram. Now what are the, what conclusion will be true here? 1, 2, 3, 4 follows. This is answer. Okay. Now how to solve this type of question, and I am taking the type number 2. All is given, how to solve the question. Now first the question is given statement and conclusion. Now you read the statement, draw diagram, either this diagram or this diagram. Now conclusion, check it. Now one by one conclusion. All nothing but A is there. Now the C is top is there. Now I am going to the A to C, that is all follow and some follow. Nothing but all A's are C's, all B's are C's, but not all C's are A's, but not all C's are B's. Now coming to this one, now some C's are B's, some C's are A's. Now conclusion number 1, 2, 3, 4, all will be follow. Now example 2. Now coming to the questions.